Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect and sync your Xbox controller over to your Xbox. And this is very simple to do. Now, there is a sync button on the top of your Xbox controller. You can see it right here. And we want to press that down at the same time as the sync button on our Xbox. So we can just press these two buttons at the same time, and you'll notice the light will blink on the console and then also on your controller. And eventually these two lights will sync up together, and then they will become solid, indicating that they have been synced together. Now, if your controller is low on battery or low on charge, make sure you're charging your controller, and you can remove the batteries from the back. Now, we can just restart the controller by holding down the Xbox button. If we hold this down, eventually our controller will turn off after about 5 to 10 seconds, and then we can just turn this back on. Maybe this was causing an issue where it wouldn't sync. And we can do the same thing with our Xbox. Just hold down the Xbox button on the Xbox itself, and then after about 10 seconds, it will turn off. And then we can just simply press it again and turn it back on, turn on our controller, and see if we can get it to sync now by pressing these buttons together at the same time. If everything else you've done failed, the last option is to use a USB cable, and this is the quickest and easiest way to do it. So we can just plug it into the front of the Xbox, and then plug it into the controller, press the Xbox button, and the two should now be synced together. Very easy to go ahead and connect that. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.